Committee this afternoon at the Wadata Plaza. You know what the function duty. So it has started and they will get together and discuss the modalities under which this convention will take place. Together with other committees that were already inaugurated. Some were inaugurated last week, as well as the one I just inaugurated also, which is the accreditation committee this morning. So this is exactly what we did in brief.
Special duty like the
System. And no matter what we do, some people will still be aggrieved. Even if we bring you here, some people will say, no, you have an issue. So it is normal, it's part of politics. But what we're doing is to try and bring everybody together in the interest of this party. And it's an ongoing process, and I can assure you that things will be okay. But it is normal to have agitation.
Are you optimistic that PDP will come out stronger and better from this convention?
You can see, we have gone through a lot in the past, but now things are getting better day by day. So yes, and I'm very sure, very, very optimistic that we will bounce back. In fact, we're already bouncing back. So,
Then last, more like, are you?
Constitution of our party, there's a provision for consensus. So there's nothing new. We're just dragging issues. It's okay, it's normal, and it's part of our constitution as PDP.